Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Deutsch zu lernen. In this video we are going to learn articles in German. Let's begin. Article. Let's learn more about articles and their rules. There are three definite articles in German: der, die and das that reveals the gender of a noun. In German, all nouns are either masculine, feminine and neuter. In German, even things have a gender. And most important, gender of nouns rarely relates to the sex of the person. For example, men is masculine, der Mann. Girl is neuter, Mädchen. Person is feminine, die Person. Article. Der is used for masculine. Die is used for feminine. Das is used for neutrum. Let's learn some rules how to remember a word is masculine. Let's begin with der. Noun referring to male people and profession are masculine. For example, männliche Personen, der Mann, der Bruder. Berufe, der Arzt, der Lehrer. Even the days, months and seasons are also masculine in German. Wochentage, der Montag, der Dienstag. Monate, der Januar, der Februar. Jahreszeiten, der Frühling, der Sommer. Wetter is also masculine in German. Der Regen, der Schnee. Himmelsrichtungen, der Norden, der Süden. Even in car brands in German are masculine. Automarken, der Audi, der BMW, der Mercedes. Let's learn endings for masculine. Endungen für maskulin. Ending ich. Der Tapisch, der Teich. Ending der Wecker, der Computer. Ending ig. Der Essig, der Honig. Ending with ling. Der Frühling, der Schmetterling. Ending with en. Der Garten, der Ofen. Ending with ant. Der Elephant, der Lieferant. Ending with us. Der Circus, der Bus. Ending with ast. Der Ballast. Ending with or. Der Tresor, der Motor. Ending with ismus. Der Kapitalismus, der Egoismus. Ending with ist. Der Pianist, der Cellist. Let's move on to article D. Let's learn more about it. Nouns referring to female persons and professions are feminine. For example, weibliche Personen, die Mutter, die Frau. Berufe, die Ärztin, die Lehrerin. Numbers and the names of flowers and trees are also feminine. For example, Zahlen, die zwei, die drei. Bäume, die Eiche. Blumen, die Rose. Let's learn endings for feminine. Endungen für feminine. Ending with E, die Sonne, die Tasche. Ending with height, die Schönheit, die Gesundheit. Ending with kite, Sehenswürdigkeit, die Heiterkeit. Ending with ung, die Zeitung, die Endung. Ending with Schaft, die Freundschaft, die Mannschaft. Ending with ei, die Bäckerei. Ending with ion, die Information, die Aktion. Ending with anz, die Elegance, die Distance. Ending with enz, the concurrence, the conference. Ending with ik, the music, the Grammatik. Ending with tate, the Universität, the Majestate. Ending with you are, the Kultur, the Natur. Ending with ie, the theory, the geography. Let's move on to article thus. Nouns that come from verbs and adjectives are neutrum. For example, verb thus schreiben, thus fahren. Even the name of colors are neuter in German, thus rot, thus blau. Even the metals in German are neuter, Metalle, thus gold, thus silber. Let's learn endings for neuter. Endungen für neutrum. Ending line, thus Kindlein, thus Fräulein. Ending with schen, thus Mädchen, thus Häutchen. Ending with ment, thus experiment, thus instrument. Ending with tum, thus Eigentum, thus Datum. Ending with thus Centrum, thus Museum. Ending with ma, thus Thema, thus Klima. Ending with il, thus Profil, thus Consul. Ending with nis, thus Ereignis, thus Ergebnis. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.